Pull up on it, pull up to the bumper, sit down on it. Wine for me, baby, spit down for me. Let them.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're baking Fudge. Okay, how many? I don't know how many, but we're making Fudge. There you go. So yeah. Guys, next year I want a new apron and I wanted to write Black's name.
I'm just repeating, you only need to measure water and vinegar and cream of tartar. Sugar and salt.
No, like before.
4.
I think ours is not really complex. It's not. Can condensed milk.
If you wanted to see, here's a poster about the sugar stations, by the way. Super educational.
Watch yourself. Watch out. Watch out. Samu.
Like there isn't much to do when it comes to this practical. I'm just going around bored and yeah. I don't know what to do. She's waiting for me to stop stirring so I could help her, but she doesn't need my help, I guess. There's not much I can do for this. So I'm just gonna sit down, sit here, relax, do nothing. I mean, do nothing. For a change. It's gonna look cute, right? I know my lip has this. I kinda look cute. People are watching me. Yeah, the struggle of being a YouTuber. month like 1 year. We are moving to the French.
Okay, Bobby, these you have 20 minutes. So you need to make sure that everything is washed. So you literally only have to pot.
So now I'm going to serve. This is our So guys, your girl is back home after this whole cooking whatever. So yeah, not a lot happened really. We served and whatnot. So me and my partner in crime, basically we finished a bit earlier than everybody else, so we were able to serve and bring the fudges at home. Fudge at home. So yeah, I got a new door. I've been telling you guys that I want a new door, and yeah, for now I'm not gonna be embarrassed to show you the background of the door because the door looks a bit, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, I need more wallpapers, so that's what we're gonna do. Really, I really wanna buy wallpapers. I really wanna buy clothes. I wanna buy wallpapers. I'm like, I need the whole thing. Whatever. But anyway, that's not part of the video, whatnot. So yeah, pretty much the fudges are really nice. Don't get me wrong, they're really nice. But the problem is, oh baby, the sugar that is in there. You are about to kill yourself with the sugar that is in there. So pretty much, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but then I'm gonna try to, you know, discharge the sugar or whatever. Just do something because, wow, oh my god, the sugar that is in here. You are going to die. But other than that, guys, I wanted to close up the vlog because I didn't when I was at school. But like I said, not a lot happened really. We served and whatnot. Then I was after school. Yeah. No need to know all of that. But yeah, it was after school and then now I'm back home. It is what is the time? What is the motherfucking time? Oh, it is 6 minutes to 3 p.m. obviously. But anyway, guys, let me close up this vlog because I've been talking non-stop. So yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. You know you do you, baby. And I'm gonna see you all in the next one. Bye.
Give me somebody